Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083631 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click, click on restart. Now scroll up, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now you can go back, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. If you receive any error, just ignore it. Now run the third command and then run the last command. You might not receive this error in your case. Once done, restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Now still not working, the next step is to run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it in the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083631, and then click on search. Check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, and check your Windows version. In my case, it's 25H2. And then check your system type, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5083631 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then install this update manually and then restart your PC and then check. Next step is to close all third-party applications on your computer and then update. If you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. If you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable your antivirus program before you install the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Now the next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, click on advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here, and let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can restart your PC, log into the computer, and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.